everyone, welcome back. So, are you getting difficulty in sleeping or getting relaxed or concentrating? I'm going to help you. So, I'm going to show you the 5 best white noise app. White noise generator, baby sleep, white noise light, calm, meditate, sleep, relax, white noise, baby sleep sound. These will definitely help you. So, the first best white noise app is white noise generator. So, let me show you the noises. So, I'm going to put on the raining. You can increase the volume or decrease it. And I'm going to put on the lightning. There are many options here. You can mix the audios like raining and the sound of transporting. You can also put timer like custom duration 5 minutes, 10 minutes as your wish. So the next app is baby sleep. So in baby sleep, you can also find many options like nature, transport, household, white noise, lullabies. If you are someone who cannot sleep without the sound of fan, you can put on the fan option. You can put on the clock option, night option, anything. And you can also put on timer like 8 hours, 4 hours, 1 hour as you wish. So the third best app that is white noise light. You can also find here many sound like city, crowd, train. You can choose mixes or single audio like let me play this one. You can increase volume or decrease. You can choose the timer, heavy rain, thunder, is wind, frog, stream. Okay, you can choose here sound like Amazon jingle, beach wave crashing, campfire, etc. Or you can choose mixes like city, crowd, train, etc. And here are various options that you can find. You can choose or create sound, download sound, and manage sounds, etc. So the other two apps are Calm, Meditate, Sleep, Relax, and White Noise Baby Sleep Sound. You can find all these apps in your Play Store app. Please don't forget to like our channel and subscribe our channel. Thank you.